Welcome back to GigaBits, the place where broken apps actually get real explanations and real fixes. You open the JD Sports app ready to check out, track an order, or grab a sneaker drop, and nothing works. The app won't load, it crashes instantly, you see a blank screen, or it refuses to log in. With one of the biggest sportswear retailers relying heavily on its mobile app, these issues are frustrating thousands of users. So what's really causing the JD Sports app to stop working, and how do you fix it? I broke this down because JD Sports app issues are rarely random. Most users immediately reinstall the app or assume the servers are down, but in reality, the problem usually comes from outdated app versions, corrupted cache data, login session conflicts, or regional service overloads. I analyzed the most common errors and tested the fixes that consistently work. The JD Sports app promises fast browsing, exclusive releases, smooth checkout, and reliable order tracking. But users frequently report login failures, endless loading screens, payment errors, checkout crashes, and notifications not syncing. The first fix is simple but critical. Force close the app and reopen it. Next, check for updates. Older app versions can suddenly fail after back-end changes. Cache corruption is another major issue. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling forces a clean connection. Logging out and back in refreshes authentication tokens. And during major sales or drops, regional servers can overload, making the app appear broken. Some issues can't be fixed locally. Server overloads require waiting, VPNs and ad blockers can interfere with checkout, and error messages are often unclear. In most cases, updating the app, clearing corrupted data, refreshing login sessions, and avoiding VPNs solves the issue. When servers are stable, the JD Sports app works well, but it's sensitive to outdated software and high traffic. For more real fixes for broken apps and everyday tech problems, follow GigaBits, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more step-by-step solutions.